Okay.
Omar and Jesus here at Compute Settings. We receive a lot of consoles with the same issue. Customers bring their consoles saying that they are not reading the games, and most of the times we realize that they are inserting the disc improperly. So we decided to make this video to show you the right way to do it. Okay, first of all, Omar is going to show you the wrong way. The wrong way is like this. The print of the disc is going to face outside. That's the wrong way. You will see that it's gonna start, the Blu-ray is gonna try to read it. You will see the little disc in the screen, but of course it's not gonna play the game, or it's not, or actually load the game. Now we're gonna show you the right way. You have to put the print part facing the inside of the console. Same story, it's going to start trying to read it, and of course in this case you will see the disc in the screen, but it's going to load it. So this is the right way. You see, it's not only reading the game, but it's also loading the game. Thank you.